Hey, let me show you how you can quickly and easily connect Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with any Android smartphone. In this case, I'm using Google Pixel 7 Pro, but it also works with any other smartphone. So first of all, we have to input both earbuds inside the case. We have to open it. Now we have to click and hold on this small button until this indicator starts blinking with green, blue, red, green, blue, red. Now we have to release this button. Just remember to keep that case open with the both earbuds inside. Now on your Android device like phone or tablet, you will have to open the settings, then navigate into the connected devices and tap to pair new device. Select the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro from the list. Accept incoming pairing request. Now just wait. As you can see, we are successfully connected, but to unlock all features of this earbuds, we should actually go into the Google Play Store, click on the search, and we have to input this phrase Galaxy Buds 3. And we have to actually get this application, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro Manager. So click on the install. And also we have to get the Galaxy Wearable application. So we have to download two apps. So click on and install it. It will be also almost immediately installed on your phone. Now you will have to open it. Then scroll, select Start. From Pair Devices, select Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. You can sign in into the Samsung account, but you don't have to, so you can click Skip. Now you can actually select the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro to get software updates automatically, but you don't have to actually, so it's your choice. Click Continue. Now accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen. Click Next, Next, and now we are all set. It's finished. There we go. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.